Welcome to Vehicle News. The new 2025 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 marks a bold step forward for the iconic brand, blending classic bobber styling with modern engineering. Designed for riders who love minimalism, attitude, and pure road presence, this motorcycle brings a fresh personality to the 350 cubic centimeter segment. Classic bobber design with modern touches. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 stays true to the bobber philosophy with a low-slung stance, wide handlebars, and a single floating seat. The teardrop fuel tank, chopped rear fender, and muscular front profile give it a raw yet premium look. Subtle modern elements like updated paint schemes and refined detailing make it stand out while maintaining its retro charm. Engine and performance. Powering the Bobber 350 is a refined 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, expected to deliver smooth torque and relaxed cruising performance. Tuned for city rides and highway comfort, the engine focuses more on ride feel than outright speed. The exhaust note remains deep and signature, enhancing the overall riding experience Royal Enfield is known for. Ride comfort and handling. Despite its minimalist design, the 2025 Bobber 350 is built for comfort. A low seat height ensures easy control, while the suspension setup is optimized for daily roads and long weekend rides. Wide tires and a strong chassis provide stability, making the bike confident to ride even at higher speeds. Features and technology. The new Royal Enfield Bobber 350 is expected to offer essential modern features such as a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, and improved braking performance. These upgrades ensure safety and convenience without compromising the bike's classic appeal. Final thoughts. The new 2025 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. With its iconic design, refined performance, and modern essentials, it promises a unique riding experience. Stay tuned to Vehicle News for more updates, detailed reviews, and the latest launches from the world of automobiles.